So I've been doing a little bit of brainstorming on this aluminum pan sump project I think I'm gonna do. Here, we'll kind of talk about it a little bit. So I think what I'm going to do basically is I'm going to build a larger sump for this thing. I have another sheet of aluminum out back. I'm gonna cut it down. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come out to about 12 inches wide. So that'll give me another couple inches out here. And I'm gonna come down to about 3 inches down, which should be just underneath this bung. I'm gonna take this bung off because whoever welded it on there didn't know how to weld. So just for aesthetic reasons, I'm gonna take it off. The next thing I'm gonna do, I'll come down about another 3 inches roughly, which should be in this ballpark. We can mark it out. Here is So essentially we'll be about 3 inches down from here. This mark that I've already made should put me about right here. So it'll have kind of like a larger box in the very bottom of this oil sump here. And then inside of it, I'm gonna build a little box to enclose the oil pump sump. And the only real reason I'm doing that is to make sure that oil stays around that sump pickup. A lot of race teams do that kind of stuff. If you're running a wet sump oiling system, it's any way you can get control of the oil that's sloshing around in here. This car's gonna be primarily used for street driving as well as autocross, as well as a little bit of drag and drive kind of stuff. So that's kind of the big purpose for that, is kind of a multi-use vehicle. So it needs to fit several different facets of racing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just modify the pickup area inside this thing, as well as enlarging the amount of volume the oil pan's able to hold. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'll just get to cutting on this thing, because I need to modify it anyways down here. So I'll open up that anyhow, and then I also need to modify it slightly for the dipstick tube location too. So regardless, I'm going to be doing some welding on it anyways if I choose to use this pan. Now I have a couple metal pans I could probably use and just modify them slightly, but I think given the nature of this engine, I think I'm going to probably do this all out of aluminum, just for my own personal kind of a project for me. So I'll get to that. We'll get on that project and we'll get to it. So I think that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna get to marking this thing where I'm gonna be cutting it at. So get in here. that's about where the sump is going to go to. It's going to stick out about right here. It's going to be this big box right there. So it should go down to that area. This whole piece was going to get cut off anyways. So I feel like it hangs too low for ground clearance anyways. So I was going to be cutting this off anyhow if I plan on using it. So I bought this pan with the intent of modifying it just simply because I didn't feel bad about, you know, adding my own touches to it. It was just a nice starting piece, so gave me something to work with. So I'm going to be cutting it right here for the girdle, and that's going to This is going to be the sump. Doesn't look like much now, but it will.